Imagine a pirate adventure in the relax of an island in the Caribbean. Then all pirates aboard! At Magic Tropical Splash, we have Ultra All-Included that includes every meal at the buffet, so you can taste the best delicacies. A bite between meals, choose between food trucks and snacks. After a long voyage, gather strength at the resort's themed bars. Refreshments, cocktails, shakes, ice slushies, beers and your favorite top brand drinks. We replace the drinks in your minibar every day, and if you want pizza, Barbarossa will take it to your apartment with delivery pizza service. You can also visit our themed restaurants, Italian or American. But first, make a reservation at the UTI terminal in reception. Hurry, there are limited places. Water ahoy! Enjoy relaxing moments and disconnect at our spa, because after a long voyage, you deserve a rest. And visit other Magic resorts where you can also use all the slides, buffets and bars. We will take you there on a boat. Oh, well, by bus. Shiver me timbers! Still want more adventures? It includes an excursion pack if you're staying 7 nights or more, from an animal park to a magic show. Remember to reserve your excursions, restaurants and visits at the UTI terminal in reception. Ultra All-Included, the most complete tropical themed holidays, full of light, colour and pirate adventures.